Superior sump pumps are designed for both the do-it-yourselfer homeowner and professional installer. There are some important questions to ask your customer to be sure they purchase the right sump pump for their needs. Start by asking, what is your basin size? There are different performance ranges, but it's important to know the size of the sump pit. An undersized pump will run too often and will not keep up with the demand of the sump pit. An oversized pump may drain too fast, causing it to stop and start more often and not allow the pump to cool properly. Ask if they're replacing an existing sump pump or if they're installing a new pump. This will help determine the horsepower. When replacing an existing pump, simply match the horsepower of the new pump to the one that you'll be replacing. If the pump being replaced did not perform as desired, consider buying the next larger horsepower pump. If replacing a pedestal sump pump, consider replacing this pump with a submersible sump pump for improved performance and reliability. If they are not replacing but installing a new pump, a 1/3 horsepower is the minimum that is recommended. Make sure to size the pump correctly to the application. By sizing the pump correctly, you can ensure proper performance and pump longevity. Remember, a pump that is undersized may not remove water quickly enough and may run constantly, which lessens the life of the pump, and a pump that is oversized may not cool properly, which can cause overheating and damage the pump. After explaining the importance of properly sizing a pump, your customer may ask, how do I size a pump correctly? First, what is the head or total lift that the pump must push water? The average lift of a sump pump is 10 feet. Measure the vertical rise and add 1 foot for each fitting and check valve. Example, measure 9 feet from pump to desired discharge exit, plus 1 check valve and 5 fittings. You would add 6 feet to the 9 feet measure for a total head required of 15 feet. Second, estimate the approximate amount of water required to remove from your home in 1 hour or GPH. Third, using the total head or total lift required and the amount of water to remove in 1 hour required, use the performance chart provided by the pump manufacturer to choose the correct pump. The final way to qualify your customers to determine what pump construction is right for them. There are thermoplastic, cast iron style, or stainless steel constructions. Thermoplastic construction is durable, corrosion resistant, and provides a lower price for customers. Cast iron construction pumps' main advantage is increased weight and superior heat distribution. The additional weight allows the pump to stay planted inside the basin and is less likely to move. The density of cast iron offers superior heat distribution, allowing the pump motor to run cooler. A cooler running motor increases the life of the pump. Cast iron pumps offer both standard and high performance. For ultimate performance, choose a stainless steel cast iron construction. This style of pump offers all of the advantages in one package. They are corrosion resistant, heavier, superior heat distribution, and high performance, which makes stainless steel/cast iron pumps the highest quality pump you can purchase.